bless you. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Nicole Mearns. How are you doing today, my lovelies? Today I'm doing a get ready with me, a chatty one, a chatty get ready with me, because I wanted to watch these videos and every single video I was watching was not the one I wanted to see. I wasn't looking for a specific one, but none of them were chatty enough for me, and I'm chatty Cathy, so I think this could go pretty well. Also have concealer on under my eyes. Yes, you are correct. My concealer is running out, so steal some for your mum. Sorry, mum. Right. We're gonna go ahead. First of all, I'm starting with my moisturisers. Everyone knows. How is everyone today? Oh, also, it's Emma's birthday today, so HBD, Emma, happy birthday if you're watching. Probably not, but just in case. First things first, I'll eat your brain. So it's Emma's birthday today. As most of you know, I never really put makeup on because I just can't be bothered. Well, I do sometimes, but like, not in a while. The only time I've had makeup on is when Carly did my makeup. Also, if you want to see Carly do my makeup, I'll leave the link down below so you can go and watch it. It's a pretty good video. Oh, that was so beauty blender. Good habit with your feet. Dancing. Top tip. Right, okay. Also, going back to dancing, I think my dancing squad are watching. No, they're probably not. But if you are, hi. Really excited for that. I've been dancing since I was like 2. And I'm back again because I miss dancing so much. Right. Don't know what palette to. I really like this palette. It's really vintage and I love the BAM Cosmetics. Are like one of my favourite brands ever. Because it's all vintagey, like cute. This is my brother's ex-girlfriend that bought me these. So shout out to you. Huh? She was actually a lovely person. That's so awkward. But yeah, if you want to see a video with my famous Twitch brother, then comment down below. Also, if there's any videos you want to see, comment down below. I can do them for you as long as it's not like jumping off a bridge. Video suggestions, because I don't really know what to do really in my life. Not very dangerous. Like, we tried to film a video one time. Well, I tried to film a video one time with one of my friends because we were going to try and start a channel. Didn't work out. Anyway, plot twist. We were going to try and make it a crazy video, you know, make this video so good so people would like watch it, hopefully. Didn't even post it. She was always like the daredevil? Is that the word? Always the braver one, because you know, I'm like a scaredy cat, you know. Everyone, like all of my friends are always the braver ones than me because I'm just not a brave person. I'm scared of literally everything basically. So we decided we're going to do a mousetrap challenge. I don't know why we decided that. I think that was maybe like the Dolan twins or something. I think it was like, we sat down, we got ready to film. Basically the whole video was just us eating crackers, like it came to the part where I was editing it and we were both sitting down, and it was literally so hard because it was just us two eating crackers. What else we do? It wasn't just like a mousetrap challenge. Oh, it was like a spinning wheel. It was like, oh, I can't remember what the video actually was, like what it was meant to be, but there was like hot sauce, the mousetrap, chilies. It might have been chilies as well, and I think there was one more thing, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, was it apple cider vinegar? I don't know, but whatever. So anyways, it came to the mousetrap and I was like, no. So man, she was like, yeah, I have to do this mousetrap. Like, I think she already done it. I can't even remember, my memory is so bad. No, I think she did do it, and then she's like, I've done it, so how can you not do it? And then I just burst out crying. So the video never went up, but it was a pretty funny video. Like, I don't understand, why would you put yourself in danger? I know people like to watch it and it's going to get views, but I just, no honey. Danger. It's a mousetrap. It was actually quite funny. The funniest part, right, there's the start of the video and I'm drinking Red Bull and then her dad came in and I was like, because we had this Red Bull. Funny. I know it doesn't seem funny, but it was funny. Like, if I had the clip, I would show you. I think I actually have the picture. I'll put the picture here if I have it. Okay. But it was a very funny video, so I would, you know, I wish I still had, if I still had it, I would have, well, I couldn't have posted it because I would have posted the parts of me though. But all we did was eat crackers. It was literally, could have been a mukbang, never mind a mousetrap. I would really like to film a video with my brother because we're the perfect two. No, but like, we're really funny. Well, he's really funny. I'm not funny. He's really funny, so I'd really love to film a video with him. Who else I want to film? I want to film a video with Abigail. Abigail, if you're watching it, I'll leave Abigail's channel below. I've left it below a few times. I want to film a video with you because Abigail's life. We'll do a 3-part series on the, what's that called? The fall down of Abigail Gillespie. I'll do like the why Abigail's channel failed. Abigail, I'm gonna ask you a few questions, is that okay? I'm not making fun of Shane Dawson, by the way, I love him, but like, that would be hilarious. I always think this brush is dirty, but it's just the marble. It's so confusing. But yeah, I'd love to make a video with Abigail. I'd love to make a video with, made videos with Carly and Kiddis. I love filming with Carly and Kiddis. Anya loves the channel. Shout out to Anya. I think everyone else in dance does actually like the channel there. But I know Anya watches the videos. I don't know if anyone else actually does watch the videos, but if you do, thanks. If you watch the videos, thanks. If you're watching the video, thanks. Time to prime. I didn't usually prime, you know, before, but I feel like maybe we should try a little prime and dime. No, right. I've got two. I've got a pore filler and a pure correcting primer, illuminating glow. Let's try this because I want to be glowy today. I want to make a statement. I want to show it's actually getting really, really cloudy, so I'm kind of worrying, not gonna lie. Or maybe I should do my eyebrows first. I'll just do this first. I suppose this is what the beauty gurus do. Oh, I don't think I should have done it that way. I want it that way. You know who I love? Michael Jackson. I feel like, one, no one cares about him. Like, I don't mean that in a bad way, but no one appreciates Michael like I appreciate Michael. And I appreciate Michael one hell of a lot. I know people say he's a paedophile. I've not actually watched any documentaries, so maybe tell me some conspiracy theories below. I don't actually think he's a paedophile though, so don't come at me for just saying that people make videos on Michael Jackson being a paedophile. I personally don't think Michael Jackson is a paedophile, but I've not watched the conspiracy theories. I've just watched all the good ones on Michael Jackson, not the bad ones. I love Michael Jackson. I just think he's like amazing, but that's maybe like self, what's that, not self, maybe, oh, what's that word, you know the word, not hypocritical, biased opinion because I don't know the other side. But I really don't think he's a paedophile. Like, I know there was claims that he was a paedophile, but I don't think he is one. I think he's just a genuine guy that people are jealous of. No, maybe he is a paedophile. I don't want it to come across like I'm like, maybe there are like real cases, I've just not seen them. But I just don't think that, I don't know. Maybe he was, you never know, because these things are all covered up nowadays. And I'm using this Kibra. I don't really want to talk about everything. I'll just link it below, whatever it is. The brush is kind of dead. Let's talk about trends, shall we? You know what trend I don't get? This It's day 143 without sex. Like, it's how many days? 365 days a year, right? So 365 times 15. I can't do maths. That's like me going 15 years without sex. I just don't understand. Maybe it's like an older person thing. Like, maybe you have to be like older to make the joke. I'm saying older people who are literally 12 have probably already had sex. And I'm like, maybe you need to be older. It's literal 12-year-olds making the things. Harry Styles is a very generous guy, isn't he? Like a changing. That's my future. What does it make if your big cousin gets married, right? And then what does that make them to you? Like, the person they're getting married to, does that make them like your auntie? No, because then that must make them like something to me though. Or nothing? Does it just make them like a second cousin? Like, I don't know. Congrats on the wedding. I want to get married one day. Fun facts. Because I just think it seems like such a good date. And I know people say, oh, it's a waste of money. But it's like, let me waste that money. I have that money. But I just think it's like such a nice thing. Also, my uncle got married. So, happy marriage. I really want to get married. And I'm trying to think, where do I want to get married? You know, I used to say I wanted to get married. I wanted to get married and I still do. I know it can happen, but I really wanted to get married at night time on the beach. Then I realised you can't get married at night. Well, I don't think you can, but Mom says I can't. Maybe she's just saying that so I don't get married on a beach. Then I further realised that I don't want to have an outdoor wedding because it might rain. It probably would rain. Let's be realistic here. So that's that dream crushed. Another one bites the dust. I was editing my video and I kept saying, so yeah. And I was like, so yeah, I'm about to punch you in the face, sis. School is almost upon us. I've been starting to study again. Hopefully there should be a study with me coming up soon. There was kind of a little bit in the morning routine, which has hopefully also went up yet. I've just been studying because rumour has it we've got a mock climb in October. Another one, which if you want to see a video with me doing a study with me, not a study with me, week in the life of exams, probably a bad idea. Subscribe, like. I get really stressed out in exams, so I think it would be a bad idea, but God, I thought I seen a face. It's just a Mickey Mouse. I really don't know what's happening. Okay, I need a boyfriend. So, if anyone who's watching is a male, is under the age of 15, I'm joking. Under the age of, you know, let's go for 17 because I'm honestly very immature. Like a small proportion of people would be able to date with me, so sorry about that, boys. You know, the one thing I'm not is skinny. Single mums, reveal yourself. Don't know why I said that. I know they've done Love Island Australia. I kind of kept up with it, but I was kind of bored, not gonna lie. I just watched bits on YouTube because obviously I don't have Australian TV. First series of it. I think they are definitely going to bring it back because there was a fight between, I think her name was Taylor, or was that the Taylor from last year? Taylor maybe, something like that. Her boyfriend, who I think was called Grant, there's like this blonde hair. I don't think it was Erin. It was basically, there was drama, so gonna bring it back after there was drama. This foundation is really annoying me because I'm literally hammering it against my hand and nothing is coming out. 'Cause I love you for infinity. Oh, cute. That right there.